Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a policy with State Farm step by step clearly. To create a policy with State Farm, start by visiting the official State Farm website. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button and click on it. Select the type of insurance policy you need, such as auto, home, or renter's insurance. Fill out the required information in the online form provided. Make sure to include details about your personal information, such as your name, address, and contact details. You may also need to provide specific information about the asset you wish to insure, like your vehicle's make, model, and year. After entering all necessary information, review it for accuracy before proceeding. Next, submit the form to receive your personalized quote. Once you have your quote, take a moment to review the coverage options available. If you have any questions, consider using the live chat feature or calling a State Farm representative for clarification. When you're ready to proceed, click on the option to purchase your chosen policy. Follow the prompts to complete the application process, which may include setting up an account. You will then be asked for payment information to finalize your policy. Review all details once more to ensure everything is correct. After your payment has been processed, you will receive your policy documents via email. Make sure to save or print your policy for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.